Okay, guys, I am super excited because I got a present in the mail. Woo woo! She says it's a birthday present, but it feels like Christmas. It does. It really does. We'll see what MorfoSoaps Cave sent to me. And I hope if you like what you see, you'll get some things for yourself too. Because handmade soap makers, and everybody uses soap, right? Really no competition because everybody needs soap. There aren't enough of us. Okay, a little note to say, oh, this is packing so cute. A little note to say hi. Happy birthday. Oh, and I got a fan mail. I love watching your videos on YouTube. Thank you, Kamile. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That makes it totally worthwhile. It's funny, some of my videos get thousands of hits and most of them get like 30. So I'm not sure what the YouTube's doing. So we'll get some more videos out there that everybody wants. But if I've got even one of you that enjoys any kind of particular video I do, just let me know. I'll keep making them. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, your soaps are so cute. Ah, Soleil Blanc. So this is another Canadian soap maker. I believe she's in Ontario. Is that right? Is that right? Am I right? Am I right? Yes, Mississauga, Ontario. So MorfoSoaps. Oh, this is so pretty. So I need to put them where you can see them as I'm unboxing them. But look at that top. Look at that sparkle. That reminds me of the top of my Princess Peppermint. I think I used a similar glitter and I love it. That is the best glitter ever. All right, what else have we got here? Ooh, I like how she used, that almost makes it look like rose gold, the way she used that. So I've got an Earl Grey soap. Oh, my husband's going to steal this one from me. His favorite is Earl Grey scent. Mississauga, Ontario. Let's see what she uses. She uses olive oil, coconut oil, sodium hydroxide, palm kernel oil, sunflower oil, castor, kaolin. Oh, good oils. These are going to be so nice. Ooh, I like that. Her titanium dioxide did a number here and it looks so pretty. I love that. And it's never intentional when that happens, and when it is, it just takes a master soap maker to make it happen. And there is a way to do that, and maybe that's what she did. You'll have to tell me. Oh, that is so cute. I love this confetti soap. That is so cute, and I love how you like tighten the top so well, and it's got a nice iridescent blue glitter on top. These are so cute. And I love how you use curls. You know, I just got a salad shooter so that I can make some of this kind of stuff, because with a grater, hand grater, it's not the same. Coconut oil bar. So it's all coca, single oil soap. There we go. I've actually been playing with that concept again. I really haven't done that since I was a beginning soap maker, but it's super fun. I'm actually going to be making another single oil soap. After I do the Castile liquid soap, we're going to do a palm oil soap. Another confetti. There's another really pretty. She brought in one of the colors back, and that tied it so well. Oh, you're a glitter girl and you know how to use it. That's pretty. That's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. All right. Another well-balanced oil soap. That looks great. Oh my goodness. That's wonderful. All right. If you enjoyed this, please go to MorfoSoaps and get some stuff from my friend Kamile, because she is a girl that has it going on. Thank you so much. I'm going to enjoy these so much. I am totally sure my husband's going to steal this one, even though it's pink. Bye, guys, and thank you so much, Kamile. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this episode, please click like and subscribe and come on back to My Soapy Kitchen anytime. Bye.